Oh hi! I didn't see you there. Let's try making Hong Kong style borscht today. So the ingredients that we need to make this dish is, let's start with some beef oxtail, cabbage, an onion, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, garlic, bay leaves, beef stock or beef bouillon, carrots, tomatoes, celery, and some chili flakes for some extra kick. And salt, pepper, and sugar.
Let's start by washing, peeling, and cutting all the veggies. Borscht is an Eastern European soup. Eastern European cuisine was popular in Shanghai during the 1930s. After World War II, many Shanghainese moved to Hong Kong and brought the soup with them. Over time, the flavors of the soup changed to suit local tastes and also to adjust for the availability of local ingredients. Hong Kong-style borscht, also known as lo song tong, is most commonly found in Hong Kong-style cafes or cha chan tang. After all the veggies have been washed and prepped, add some oil to a pan and sear the oxtail chunks on all sides. Look at that browning! Add some oil to your soup pot and toss in your carrots, celery, onions, and garlic. Stir fry them to bring out their flavors. It should be smelling really good at this point. Throw in your oxtails. Add some salt and pepper. Add your tomatoes. Add some chili flakes if you want an extra kick. Add water. Add in your beef bouillon. Tomato paste. Some ketchup. Worcestershire sauce. Toss in your bay leaves. Bring it to a boil. Now add in the cabbage. Add some sugar to reduce the sourness. Boil it on medium-low heat for around 1.5 hours. You can taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking. I like to think that it's ready when the meat is falling off the bone. Ooh, look at that.